And this is where I put the bird seed on this log here. I can hear some birds coming already. They see me. So I'm going to turn this off and put some food down for them. There's one guy already. He's coming, but he don't. Okay, I'm down to the river, my little bird feeding spot. I put seed on that log there, and I set about 10 feet away. They don't seem to be too much bothered by me. A white-throated sparrow. There's a cardinal hiding in the bushes there. They're a little more leery about coming this close. And there's oh, there he goes. A little downy woodpecker was there. Chickadee. There's the female cardinal in the bushes there. You can see in this thing. Oh, there's a house finch. Titmouse just came by. Let's see, I should be shooting a picture of that with her sitting nice on that little limb. The cardinals were over here eating. Now they heard me jostling around with the camera, and she's gonna come back though. Here's the female house finch. Chickadee. Chickadee. Two woodpeckers are being a little cautious about going down and getting some food.